Hey, Matt Karupis and I are just talking about making great business decisions off of data effectively. What's your next tip for us, Matt?
I think one of the big ones that I've actually been researching quite a bit recently is that many people in business greatly overestimate the quality of the data within their business.
Boy, that happens almost every time, doesn't it? We think that we've got some data we can make some decisions on, but it's totally wrong. It's just the formulas are wrong, the data is incomplete, and you can't use it because, and of course, nobody's been using it, so nobody really checks the quality of it. So it's kind of like that's the point where you then have to start improving the processes that collect the data, right?
Exactly, exactly. If you've ever gotten to the point where your week to week reports are looking pretty good, and then you see your end of the month report and you're startled at how bad it is, that is something that happens often, and it's due to
Yeah,
us
yeah,
as
yeah.
overestimating the quality of that data. And so that's one of the key pieces of looking
Yeah.
into making data work for your company. Make sure your data is of high quality. You can do
Right.
that by reviewing it and understanding it better, by
Yeah.
taking a lot of that institutional knowledge that a lot of the leaders in your company have and converting that into the processes by which you store that data within your environment.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so,
Yeah, you
really,
got to
just
start using
taking,
it, right? You got to
yeah,
start using it
exactly.
there. If you don't use it, you're never gonna start improving it.
Exactly. And so that's one of the key things that I think is huge for us is make sure that we are honoring the fact that good data actually means that we make better decisions.